Hello, in this video I will show you how to insert SIM and SD card into Redmi 14R. So you have to start by using SIM tray key to open SIM tray, and then you have to place your SD card on your SIM tray. And then place SIM card on your SIM tray, like this. And now you can put your SIM tray back into your device. And now, as you can see by my network bars right here on the status bar, my SIM is now working. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.